Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I am MisxK.Nicole, and make sure you go subscribe. Before you even get into this video, make sure you like and share this video, y'all. So today's video, y'all, I got a package. Okay, so we're gonna be opening this package, and we just gonna see what I ordered. Okay, but let's just get right into the video. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I wasted some water on my shirt. Ugh, it'll dry in. But anyway, y'all, I got a package. So we're just gonna see what this package is. Cause y'all, I've been waiting on my package like forever. Okay, forever. So let's see what we got. Like it was open. Okay, y'all, so this is what it is. It is Clear. And this really kind of like help, you know, get rid of yeast infections. Yeah, it basically like help with that, and it also balance out your pH balance. So they look like these. Look like that. And I think you just take one a day. Yep. Take one capsule orally once a day. Can be consumed with or without food. Use the entire package for best results. Research support. Taken for 15 days. No use 15 days. And then take it again for 15 days. Alright, so yeah, that's what this is. Yeah, I'm just reading it, y'all. See? Maintain pH and flora diversity associated with a healthy vaginal for 90 days. Yep. White powder. It got white and orange in it, y'all. Y'all see it? Oh, I want to know what it tastes like, but I ain't gonna eat it right now, y'all. I'm gonna wait till later on when I actually eat something, and then you know, I'll take one of these. Okay. But yes, y'all, that's all we got in our package. I am supposed to be ordering some more stuff. So, yeah. When I do that, of course, I will include y'all into that too. But yeah, y'all, this is all that I got. And I'll put in the description box where you can get these from. But it's basically to help down there. It help your pH balance. It help get rid of yeast infections, you know, bacterial vaginosis, you know, and it's just, you know, it's kind of like a, you know, to help with the hygiene, you know, down there. So, yeah. Y'all want to try these? I got these from Amazon, though. So, yeah, I got these from Amazon. And they weren't high at all. I think these was like 16. I want to say $16. But that's a good deal because it's It's 3 packs in here. Like 3 packs. See? So that's a good deal. You know, not too expensive, not too cheap. But that's that, y'all. So yeah. But anyway, that's all that I got. And I'm gonna take one later on today. But yeah.
Got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body. Feeling like I wanna rock with your body. And we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation. And we don't gotta think about nothing. Been there all night, I've been there all day. And I got me walking side to side. I've been there all night, I've been there all day. And I got me walking side to side. Been trying to have a body, rock the body, rock the body, rock the body. I wanna rock with your body, 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 I wanna rock with your body. Baby, what's it gonna hurt if they don't know? Making everybody think that we solo. Just as long as you know you got me. And boy, I got you. Guess tonight I'm making deals with the devil. And I know it's gonna get me in trouble. Just as long as you know you got me. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no, cause I've been there all night, I've been there all day. And I got me walking side to side. Been trying to have a body, rock the body, rock with your body, rock the body. I wanna rock with your body, 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 I wanna rock with your body.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright.